Are you looking to make your space feel more luxurious without breaking the bank? Or maybe you're struggling to find ways to save space in your apartment while still maintaining a stylish home. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some cost-saving tips, space-saving hacks, and how to create a luxury look on a budget that'll inspire you to transform your home. Stick around, because these easy tips can make a huge difference. 1. Cost-saving tips. Let's talk about saving money while upgrading your home. First off, you don't need to splurge on expensive furniture or decor to make your home look amazing. DIY projects are a great way to add personality to your space without the price tag. For example, you can repurpose old furniture by sanding it down and giving it a fresh coat of paint. It's an easy way to make something old look brand new. Another tip: shop smart. Look for sales, thrift stores, or even online marketplaces for budget-friendly finds. You'd be surprised at the amazing items you can score at a fraction of the cost. 2. Space-saving hacks. If you live in a small space, you're probably always looking for ways to maximize every inch. One easy space-saving hack is multifunctional furniture. For example, a sofa that doubles as a bed, or a coffee table with hidden storage. These pieces save space and keep your home looking neat. Vertical storage is also a game changer. Instead of crowding your floors with clutter, use shelves, hooks, and wall-mounted storage. This allows you to store things out of sight while freeing up floor space for a more open, airy feel. 3. Achieving a luxury look on a budget. Creating a high-end, luxurious feel in your home doesn't have to mean expensive designer items. Neutral colors are key to making your space feel calm and elegant. Think light grays, whites, or even muted pastels. These colors work well in any room and give a sophisticated vibe without costing a fortune. Also, don't underestimate the power of statement pieces. You don't need a whole room full of expensive decor. A stylish lamp, a bold piece of artwork, or a luxurious throw pillow can elevate your space instantly. It's all about picking out those few items that really stand out. And here's a pro tip: repurpose what you already have. Sometimes just rearranging your current furniture or swapping out accessories can make a huge difference in how your space feels. So, there you have it. Easy and affordable ways to save money, maximize your space, and achieve a luxury look without the hefty price tag. It's time to take action. Start by implementing just 1 or 2 of these tips today and watch your space transform. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Happy decorating!